Is he
Sir,
audible?
namaskar.
Desai, I can see him. Yes.
Yes,
Desai
sir,
sir has
namaskar
joined.
and welcome. Sir, you
Sir,
are muted.
you're muted, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Right now?
Yeah, it's
Yes,
okay.
sir, we can hear you.
Yeah, yeah, please.
Welcome, sir, once again.
Thank you.
Welcome everyone. Good evening and very good evening, everyone. I am Swati Sharma, and it is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to this enriching journey through the Atal sponsored faculty development program on medical imaging in third dimension, advanced techniques and clinical applications, organized by the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology. The objective of this FDP is to provide participants with the comprehensive understanding of the latest advancement in AI and 3D medical imaging. Medical imaging in third dimension is an emerging multidisciplinary field that has significant advanced patient care. As technology continue to evolve, it is essential to stay informed about the latest breakthrough and software tools for reconstructing 3D medical models from traditional 2D medical image, imaging techniques. Esteemed speakers from the renowned institute and the industry will share their invaluable insights and innovative ideas on these critical topics. We are confident that their presentation will not only be informed but also through the provoking, offering a unique opportunity for all the participants to enhance their knowledge and skills in this rapidly evolving field.
We
Am
feel
I
privileged. We feel privileged to acknowledge our honorable distinguished dignitaries, Dr. Nand Kishore Garg sir, founder and chief advisor MATES, Shri Vineet Kumar Lohia sir, chairman MATES, Shri S.P. Agarwal sir, executive chairman MATES, Professor Neelam Sharma ma'am, director MATE, Professor Dr. J.V. Desai sir, director general MATES, Professor S.S. Deshwal sir, dean academic MATE, Professor Sachin Gupta sir, Dean, R&I, HOD of all the departments and faculty and staff members. Let us commence this exciting journey of knowledge by seeking the blessing of Goddess Saraswati. Sir, Saraswati Vanna, please.
Rajshri Soul से सारी
या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्या जाड्यान्धकारापहा हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्
हाँ तो 24 मैसेज पढ़े।
कर दिया आपका ज्वाइन।
ठीक है
तो
ठीक है,
ठीक है, ऐसे ही कर लीजिए ना भाई शाम को।
हाँ
please mute your mic.
फोटो नहीं लगा सकता मैं अपने
But
भी
please mute your mic.
करते हैं।
Who is there?
Vaibhav sir, please mute your mic.
मैं भी 6:30 बजे लॉगिन करूंगा।
Vaibhav?
Sorry. So Professor Sunil Mathur, the esteemed head of Department for Electronics and Communication Engineering, has been an excellent mentor to all members of EC department. His unwavering enthusiasm and dedication continues to inspire us to achieve greater heights. It is our honor to request Professor Sunil Mathur sir to kindly provide us with welcome address.
Thank you, ma'am. Namaskar to all of you. Respected Professor J.V. Desai, Director General MATE, Professor Neelam Sharma, Director MATE, Mr. Parveen Sikka, CEO Integrated Microsystem, and keynote speaker for this inaugural function, Professor S.S. Deswal, Dean MATE, Professor Sachin Gupta, Dean R&I, and all the HODs, professors, colleagues, invited guests, and participants. On behalf of Department of EC, I welcome you all and extend a warm welcome to all of you for this 6-day FDP on medical imaging in the third dimension, advanced techniques and clinical applications. I want to express my sincere gratitude for the continuous inspiration provided by Dr. Nandkishore Gargji, the founder and chief advisor MATES and chancellor of MAU. Also, my thanks to Sri Vinit Kumar Lohia ji, Chairman MATES, Sri S.P. Agarwal, Executive Chairman MATES, Sri T.R. Garg, General Secretary MATES, Sri Rajneesh Gupta, Secretary MATES, Professor J.V. Desai, Director General MATE, Professor Neelam Sharma, Director MATE, Professor S.S. Deswal, Dean MATE, Professor Sachin Gupta, Dean R&I, for their unwavering support and timely guidance. I also thank my colleagues, Dr. Nitin Sharma, Dr. Swati, Dr. Preeti, Vaibhav Nijhavan, and all the other faculty members who are dedicated and put so many efforts to organize this FDP. We are honored to have received support from AICT, an institution synonymous with the highest standards in technical education quality and innovation. AICT has generously granted us a budget of rupees INR 1 lakh to successfully execute this educational program. I am pleased to announce that the response to our FDP has been overwhelming. Despite the stipulated limit of 100 candidates from ATAL as a guideline, we have received registration from an impressive total of 167 candidates. Among them, 37 are our internal faculty members, showcasing their keen interest and commitment. Additionally, we welcome 130 external participants, out of which 106 from Delhi and 61 from Pan India. It is both an honor and privilege to welcome you all to this faculty development program. This FDP has been designed to bring together experts from a variety of fields, engineering, science, and medicine, to provide a comprehensive understanding of the latest advancements in 3D medical imaging, a topic that holds significant promise in improving diagnostic accuracy, treatment planning, and patient's outcome. As we know, medical imaging has revolutionized healthcare, enabling doctors to visualize internal structures of human body with unprecedented precision. The leap of 2D to 3D imaging has been nothing short of transformative, offering more detailed views and enhanced diagnostic capabilities. Today, we will explore cutting edge techniques and clinical applications that are driving this innovation, as well as how they are shaping the future of healthcare across the globe. It's my pleasure to introduce our esteemed speaker who will guide us through this session, through the various sessions on the forthcoming 6 days. First of all, Mr. Shivam Tyagi, software engineer at Amazon USA, will discuss how AI and machine learning are transforming medical imaging to enhance diagnostic efficiency. Welcome, Shivam Tyagi ji. Professor Dr. Partha Paritam Roy from IIT Roorkee, an expert in computational imaging, will explore the latest advancements in 3D imaging and their application in medical diagnostics and precision medicines. Dr. Rajesh Kumar Tiwari, Scientist E at INMAS, DRDO Delhi, will share insights on imaging systems used in defense research and their potential clinical applications. Dr. Nitin Arvind, Assistant Professor at Bennett University, will highlight how advanced algorithms are improving the clarity and diagnostic potential of 3D medical scans. Dr. Rajesh Prabhakar, a big data analytics expert and founder of Data Advancer Labs, will discuss the role of big data in reshaping medical imaging and patient care. Dr. Rohini P., Assistant Professor at IIIT DM Kanchipuram, will focus on the integration of innovative hardware and software to enhance medical imaging capabilities. Dr. Chandra Prakash, Assistant Professor at SVNIT Surat, will provide insight into the engineering challenges and innovations in real-time 3D medical imaging. Finally, Mr. Ravikant, a data scientist specializing in medical image analysis, will explore how machine learning is revolutionizing the interpretation of complex medical images. I welcome all of these experts. We are excited to hear from these distinguished experts. Together, these experts will cover a wide range of topics from the latest software and hardware advancements to the clinical application of 3D imaging and the growing role of data analytics in improving healthcare outcomes. This FDP aims to provide a platform for interdisciplinary collaboration and knowledge sharing, and I encourage all of you to actively engage with the speakers, ask questions, and take full advantage of this unique learning opportunity.